In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Wix subscription for the year 2025. Whether you're moving to a new platform, cutting down on expenses, or simply experimenting with different services, canceling your Wix subscription is straightforward once you know where to look. Let's go through this step-by-step process to ensure you can seamlessly end your subscription without any hassle. First, you need to navigate to Wix.com. Once there, log into your account if you haven't already. Logging in brings you to your account dashboard where you can see the variety of websites or projects you've been managing with Wix. Now, within this dashboard, you'll need to select the specific website associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. Make sure you're selecting the right website, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Once you've chosen the appropriate website, look toward the bottom of the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. You'll find a settings option there. Click on it, and this will take you to a new menu filled with various configuration options for your site. Within this settings menu, locate and go to Site, Domain, and SEO. This is where you can delve into various management tools, including your plans and subscriptions. Next, you'll want to click on Manage Plan. This action will bring up a detailed list of all your subscriptions associated with that particular website. It's essential to note here that if you don't see any listed subscriptions, you might not have any active plans under that specific site, or it may be located under another account or site. Assuming you do have an active subscription, you will spot it on this screen. Find the three little dots or the More Options menu next to your plan. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu that includes several choices, such as updating your payment method, unassigning the plan, changing your billing cycle, and importantly, the option to cancel the plan. Go ahead and click on Cancel Plan. When you select Cancel Plan, Wix will display a prompt confirming your intention to proceed with the cancellation. They may ask you to complete a brief survey explaining why you decided to cancel your subscription. This survey helps Wix improve their services and is entirely optional. When you're ready, press the Cancel Now button to finalize the action. Finally, once you have completed the cancellation, refresh your account dashboard. You should see a notification regarding the cancellation's effectivity, which depends on your current billing cycle. This notice informs you of when your subscription will officially end, providing a clear understanding of how much more time you have access to Wix services before they terminate. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Wix subscription. Remember, if you change your mind, you can always resubscribe or restart your plan. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.